Okay, warm welcome to all of you. I'd like to introduce Mr. Lokesh Ohri, the filmmaker. I'll not take too much time and let him introduce the film and tell you what is in store for you guys.
What you're going to see today is a series of 4 films. The films are based on the river Ganga, and pre-COVID, we were asked by an organization called National Mission for Clean Ganga, जिसको हम नमामि गंगे भी बोलते हैं. So National Mission for Clean Ganga asked us to do this series for them. But before that, they also wanted us to document what is there in terms of heritage along the river. So we started off the project. Of course, there was a big team from Delhi that was involved in the documentation process. And in the beginning, we only knew that the Ganga runs for about 2,500 kilometers, and that there are 51 districts to cover. 51. तो 51 जिले हैं और 2500 किलोमीटर ये नदी बहती है और आइडिया ये था कि हम नदी को डॉक्यूमेंट करें, नदी के बारे में जानें, because so much has been written about Ganga, so many films have been made. I mean, I was wondering to myself, what can we do to go beyond National Geographic? What can we do to go beyond BBC? Because all these big organizations have already made films on Ganga. So, but because it was a series, it was a good opportunity for us to look at the heritage along the river. So the film focuses on heritage. So film 1, Ganga Katha, which talks about the philosophical heritage of the river. That's the river.
From the snow-capped Himalayan peaks to the fans of Bay of Bengal, Mother River Ganga journeys across several terrains and cultures. In its journey of over 2,500 kilometers through 51 districts, 600 million people and myriad organisms derive sustenance from it.
Places of pilgrimage on the banks of the Ganga have attracted humankind for centuries. There was a time when road and rail travel were not as developed. In those times, the only means to reach the very heart of India was a boat ride on the Ganga. Therefore, the banks of the river were not only sites for pilgrimage, but also global trade. The tradition of pilgrimage, with the inherent belief that creating facilities for fellow pilgrims enhanced karma to add to the grandeur of architectural heritage along the Ganga. Through this
pleasure, the Hindi versions are also on the YouTube channel of Namami Gange, the NMCG. But we can do a screening in there also. मसूरी इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल जो आयोजित हो रहा है मसूरी में, इसमें आज ये फिल्म गंगा कथा दिखाई गई। ये 4 फिल्म हैं, दरअसल 4 फिल्म डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म्स हैं और ये एक सीरीज़ है जो नमामि गंगे या नेशनल मिशन फॉर क्लीन गंगा ने बनवाई है, जिसमें हमने गंगा के दोनों तटों पर जो हेरिटेज है, जो विरासत है, उसको दिखाने की कोशिश की गई है। जो पहली फिल्म है वो गंगा के दर्शन शास्त्र और गंगा का जो महत्व है उसके बारे में है, और दूसरी फिल्म गंगा के दोनों तटों पर जो इमारतें हैं, जो बिल्ट हेरिटेज है उसके बारे में है, और फिर एक फिल्म है नेचुरल हेरिटेज में, जो प्रकृति गंगा के तटों पर मिलती है, जो वन्य जीव हैं, जो फॉरेस्ट हैं, पेड़ हैं, जंगल हैं, उसके ऊपर है। और जो आखिरी फिल्म है वो अमूर्त विरासत जो गंगा की है, जो इसके खान पान हैं, लोकगीत हैं, जो कला इसके तटों पर मिलती है, उसके बारे में है। तो चारों फिल्में दिखाई गई, लोगों ने पसंद किया, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पर, और इस फेस्टिवल का प्रतिभाग करके मज़ा आया।
Yeah, it's just like, in Ladakh they have these winter festivals in the monasteries. During winter to have these exciting things happening is very nice for Mussoorie, and it's just not only Christmas, which is also a great thing, but the film festival has warmed up things and we are enjoying ourselves being a part of it, and we hope that a lot of filmmakers will realize that the blue skies and the mountains and the greenery is so wonderful to make films here, and have film festival here for people who can come from all over, and it takes about 5.5 hours to come from Delhi to Mussoorie. So all the people, not only from Delhi but other places, they can come, and there are flights also, and be in the mountains, which is a wonderful thing. The mountains are calling and you must come.
doesn't fit very well. Like, if you have seen a film called Heather, which with Vishal Bhardwaj directed. Vishal Bhardwaj, incidentally, is also from Mussoorie. He has a house over here. Many of you would be knowing. So, Heather ended up winning 5 national awards. And I had a very important part in Heather. I wonder how many of you have seen Heather. I look very different. You'll all wonder, where was he in Heather? So, the initial 15 minutes of the film, when the doctor is operating, that's Shahid Kapoor's father. He's operating on a terrorist, and the army comes in to pick up Heather's father, and they blow up the house. And there was an army major who led the entire operation. That was me, with a big moustache. I look very different in that. Who says no militant dead or alive is worth my soldier's life. Party load, ready, fire! And then we fire on Heather's house. गम ना खाओ, जो न जान ना सही मुन जान सही. जब मैं बहिश्त का तस्वुर करता हूँ और सोचता हूँ कि अगर मगफिरत हो गई, एक कसर मिला और एक हूर मिली, अखामत जा वैदानी है और उसी नेक बख्त के साथ जिंदगानी है. इस तस्वुर से जी घबराता है और कलेजा मुंह को आता है. हाय हाय वो हूर अजीरन हो जाएगी, तबीयत क्यों ना घबरा गई. मियाँ होश में आओ, कहीं और दिल लगाओ. Now, what the meaning of it took me 8 readings to actually understand what the Khalid Saab meant.
Someone who is a guardian of this hotel's and this town's history. Someone whose name is engraved on a wooden plaque on the wall of the writer's bar.
Running, flashing across your face for the next 90 or 20 minutes. Just a lot of pictures put together. That's the first thing. Like what happens in a film, it's just a lot of pictures put together. The second thing is the narrative that they are trying to tell a story, which is true for 94 is that he brought crime back into dining halls. It is such an amazing thing because ये तो मैंने काट दिया. The actual frame is a little wider. But what can you see on the frame? We can just see the 2 actors. But usually if he's shooting us, then a lot of other things are visible. Like there's those decoration items there, and right, there's lighting there, and there's this screen here. So everything that you see in the frame needs to be analyzed. Like that.
चार धाम ट्रेल प्रोजेक्ट की टीम ने ऋषिकेश भूमि से अपनी यात्रा के लिए कूच किया. इस पदयात्रा के श्रेष्ठ अवलोकन के हेतु हमारी टीम में शामिल हुए मार्ग खोजकर्ता, वनस्पति एवं जीव विशेषज्ञ, लेखकर्ता एवं अनुसंधानकर्ता, प्रतिचित्रण एवं मार्ग निर्देश.
So there are still around 12,000 feet. There are chattis are there. Still people go there. Still you can see a lot of Baba walking towards Sugat. Actually, this is the original route. So Gaurikund is basically it's a driving route. So earlier people used to go to Gangotri and then they cross the Belak Chatti. This is around 11,000 feet.
को देखना है, आपको उनमें अपने मदर फादर को देखना है और आपको उनमें देखना है, ठीक है. और जब मैं जो कमांड दूंगा, जो मैं बोलूंगा, आपको बस उसको फॉलो करना है, ठीक है.
देवभूमि उत्तराखंड की सुंदर वादियों में आज पहाड़ों की रानी मसूरी में हम आए हैं. इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल का मौका है और बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हम आज आप लोगों को वॉकिंग टू द गॉड्स इस फिल्म की स्क्रीनिंग के लिए हम आए हैं. बहुत अच्छा लगा. काफ़ी सारे यहाँ पर लोग आए हुए थे जिन्होंने हमारी फिल्म को अप्रिशिएट किया, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस भी पूछे, तो कुछ अच्छा लगा होगा तभी प्रश्न भी पूछे हैं, इसके लिए भी हम बहुत प्रभावित हैं। उत्तराखंड में बहुत ही हमारा जो सस्टेनेबल रिस्पॉन्सिबल टूरिज़्म की ओर से ये कदम था, और हमारी जो विरासत है, हमारी सांस्कृतिक विरासत, जो हमारी परंपरा, जो हमारी धरोहर है, उन सबको सहेजने का समय है। और हमारी परंपराओं और उसकी वजह से ही हमारा उत्तराखंड देवभूमि जाना जाता है। जो अतिथि सत्कार उत्तराखंड देता है, जो हमारा खान पान है, वो उसके बिना तो हमारा उत्तराखंड अधूरा है। तो इसीलिए इस फिल्म फेस्टिवल के आयोजन के लिए मैं सभी ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को बधाई देती हूँ और शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ, और चाहूँगी कि अगले वर्षों में ये बहुत अच्छे तरह से वास्तव में इंटरनेशनल स्तर का हो, और बहुत सारे इसमें फिल्म मेकर्स और बहुत सारे लोग आएँ, और उत्तराखंड की जो देवभूमि, उत्तराखंड की जो नैसर्गिक सौंदर्य है, जो इतनी सुंदरता है, यहाँ के जो इतने सुंदर गांव हैं, उन सब पे फिल्म बने और बहुत सारे लोग उत्तराखंड को अप्रिशिएट कर सकें। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, first of all, to Mussoorie International Film Festival team to screen our चार धाम ट्रेल मूवी। तो इस मूवी में बेसिकली हमने अपनी पूरी जर्नी जो हमने चार धाम ट्रेल में कंप्लीट की, उसको पूरा का पूरा हम लोगों ने कैसे डॉक्यूमेंट किया था उसके बारे में बताया। इसमें सबसे बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट रोल ये है कि मसूरी इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ने इसको एक अच्छा प्लेस दिया है कि हमारी जो जितने भी कल्चर है चार धाम ट्रैक रूट के बारे में उसको शोकेस करने का, और पूरी जर्नी को उत्तराखंड के बारे में बताने का एक बहुत अच्छा मौका दिया है। इस मूवी से मुझे लगता है कि हमारे जितने भी होम स्टेज हैं, पूरे रूट्स के हमारे गाइड्स, उनके ट्रेल्स के बारे में जानने का मौका मिलेगा, और उत्तराखंड टूरिज़्म को प्रमोशन भी काफ़ी अच्छा मिलेगा। तो मसूरी इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल को अगेन थैंक यू सो मच टू स्क्रीन आवर मूवी।
So I'm still a little bit back on the film that was just screened before about the tracks by the Ganga. But I just concentrate on the subject. I want to say that I have been actually with this film festival as an idea for 2-3 months now, when Gopala Krishna had the thought of it, and I have been living step by step with his efforts. I understand now how difficult it is, and I am very thankful to be part of the few people that actually was the part. They were the part of this team, and we have been working together. But also many thanks to the people of the government, the people that had the venues, and all the volunteers that joined. Many thanks to this. And we are already in the second day. It's less sleep and less food, but it's very rewarding to be part of this film festival. And I understand, I wish that many of them will follow. So thank you very much.
So we are very, very happy to be organizing the first Mussoorie International Film Festival here. This festival has been possible thanks to the support of Department of Information and Public Relations, Government of Uttarakhand. Also the Uttarakhand Film Development Council, which is a part of DIPR Uttarakhand. They have been very supportive of this festival. We want to thank the venue partners, Fern Brentwood and the Savoy, Welcome Hotel by ITC Hotels, the Savoy. Both of them have very graciously offered their venues for this festival. So my deep gratitude for both these spaces. So I'd also like to thank Mashakbin Studios, a platform that produces original content from Garhwal in Uttarakhand, and they produce amazing videos that depict the culture and traditions of the region. Many local citizens of Mussoorie, prominent people like Mr. Stephen Alter, Eugen Colin Ganza, Mr. Satish Sharma, they've been very, Sandeep Sahani ji, Rajat Agarwal ji, they've been very supportive of this venture, and I'd like to express my gratitude to all of them.